this mission. It's just a middle of the day walk to keep fit more than anything, but I was on the lookout for a handy deer to bring home because I owed a guy a favour, so that's another good reason to get out and about. This is currently the scene. Low fog, misty drizzle really. So it's coming in from the east, so it's probably the start of what's to be quite shitty weather for the next few days. So yeah, just be going by the edge of my nose really, just winging it this afternoon. Team, this is my view from my one of my lookouts. So there's going to be no slip watching in the wee small hours of the evening today. I think it's just going to be hit the bush, get our bush stalking skills on. Team, you'll set up for bush stalking, take the brake off and put the thread protector on, since the brake's really good at reducing recoil and it's good for long shots. It blows all the sound straight back behind you. So in other words, basically you get the shell shock of all the shockwave noise of the shot. So best to take that off for this specialty bush stalking. Misty days like today, you're generally better off doing what I'm doing here, going for a little bit of a bush stalk, because the bush is quite quiet to stalk through, and sometimes that'll be where you'll find the deer, especially in the punga guts. I didn't seem to have much luck that particular day in the bush, and the weather had cleared off a little bit, so I thought why not pop back up the top of the hill and get the binos out while it's clear. old team. I just got set up on that what I thought was a spiker, but it was a velvet stag, so let it go, let it grow. Plenty of yearlings and spikers and young hinds to shoot this time of the year. That was good to see, but a bit of a bugger at the same time. Two spikers just boosted through that clearing, last clearing I was watching. Yeah, I just got settled on one of them, and they just kept moving through, and then they've gone into the scrub now. Damn it all. And look, it's bloody windy up here. I'm sheltered here, but it's just blowing like hell out there, so that's why I think they're pretty unsettled. They're just moving through. Oh, next time. Oh well, team, those two spikers were a gift also, but yeah, they just went standing still. They were out 500 yards and they just went standing still long enough to get a bead on, and they disappeared in the scrub, and that was that. So that's the luck of the draw. So yeah, till next hunt, yeah, hot barrels and be cool to each other, man. Sweet as.